Where there is discord, may we bring harmony. Where there is error, may we bring truth. Where there is doubt, may we bring faith. And where there is despair, may we bring hope.
Margaret ended our first meeting by telling me we must stand together. And that's exactly what we've done.
Baroness Margaret Thatcher, Prime Minister of Great Britain, friend of Ronald Reagan, friend to the U.S., dead today at the age of 87 of a stroke. Her life and legacy. We're back with the panel. Charles.
I think she has a two-line epitaph. She single-handedly saved her country from socialism, and together with just a few others, including Reagan, she helped to bury communism forever, which we don't remember, but was for a century the dominant ideology in the world. At home, she was amazing. She faced down the Union that even her party, the Tories, had given up on taming. She undid the sclerotic bureaucracy that she had inherited by selling off all the things that Labor had nationalized and selling them off in a way, including council housing, that would make stakeholders, ordinary citizens, stakeholders in the firms that she had denationalized, and stakeholders in their own homes. And lastly, she sort of changed the zeitgeist of a country that had imagined that its decline and sclerosis were a result of history, exhaustion by the end of the two world wars, and not policy. And in that way, she, like Reagan, changed the ideological trajectory of her country, and we learned how true that was when her successor in Labor upheld all of her principles and policies.
Britain's only female